You know I love you, but I'm always on the road. Girl, like you put me in the mood, and I know you want that too. And I carry show that die for you, just want my be me pa. I don't make my spine loose, I don't make my spine loose. I don't carry show that die for you, just want my be me pa. I know I like. Oh, you thinking, but no one come out it from my head. No one come out it from my head.
Hi guys, hi. I don't even know if this is a continuation or let's just try to make it a new vlog. Hi guys, this is a very one kind way to start a vlog. The time is like around 12. Yeah, 12:36. You guys can see that today has been a very one kind day for me. Not in a bad way, just in a I've been on my bed all through today. I'm not even capping. Today is the 26th of November, and the only thing that is giving me ginger to vlog today is because I have an art exhibition today, and I'm like, why not bring you guys along? It should be fun. I feel like I look funny. Better. I'll bring you guys along. I mean, why not? I mean, I've been doing nothing productive with my life since my presentation, so why not bring you guys along on this exhibition. It's not going to be my first exhibition, to be honest. I've been to an art gallery. Editing Lola here, and I just wanted to chip in that I have actually never been to an art gallery in my whole life. I have been to a museum, and that wasn't even in Nigeria. So this is actually my first art exhibition in my whole life, or particularly in Nigeria. But then I had not started YouTube, so obviously now that I've started, why not just bring you guys along? The exhibition starts by 12 and now it's 12:39 already. So my friends are like, oh, we should go by 2. You know, now African time thing, if you get me. Yeah. I don't even know how I feel about it because, like I said, I'm feeling peradventurous. I feel very lazy. That is for one. I feel very lazy. And yeah, I've not had anything today, like any food, because of my mood. Yeah, let me show you guys what I've been doing. That's my laptop over there, and that is my TV. So as you saw, I've been watching TV because that's the only thing I felt like doing. Oh yeah, I'm saying it like I've not done anything productive today. So I edited a YouTube video. I don't even know, should I go and have my bath now, or should I just watch one more episode of Vincenzo? So I'm watching Vincenzo. Vincenzo is a K-drama. I don't watch K-drama, but like I got influenced to watch Vincenzo. Or maybe it's food that is making me feel this way. Hi guys, so guess who is the late comer? Me. So I'm delaying my friends right now. Just wanted to show you guys my outfit. So I'm wearing this dress. It's so cute. I'm trying to lay my edges. Miriam is bringing me a jacket, and I'm carrying my also pouch. My only accessory is my watch and this ring, and I am going to be wearing. I feel like Miriam is bringing a denim jacket. So okay, I'm recording. You know, this too crazy thing is I forgot to use sunscreen. You guys, tell me what you think about my dress. I really do like it. This is the first time I'm wearing it. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm wearing this like really big earring. As me, this was a thing. I could actually have worn this scarf like a safari thing. I'm just waiting for a call from Miriam that she's outside. Let me switch off my laptop. Big girl, I'm only left with 400 naira. Ha! That's small, we carry card. Do you know what distracted me? I told you guys that I was going to go and watch one episode of Vincenzo. I watched 2. Because after the first one, the time was like 1 something. So I'm like, ignore my a bit messy room. It's not so messy, there's a bit. So I'm trying to lay my edges. I'm very scattered. Your brows is everything, you guys. Should I even use mascara? I'm so in a rush. I have a jacket. Miriam is bringing me a jacket. Yeah, this is my look. The edges. Oh. Miriam just called me that she's on her way.
Who's your guy? Not only me, but life. As we there like beans and rice, I will never leave your side. I will never ever, I don't mind. Cause you be my G for life. Yeah, I'm feeling good tonight, as I day with my guy. I get plenty from my mind. Right now I'm with my guys. I know they feel them got my back. Say you don't feel my formation and 100 concentration. When my guys them hollow, bad energy far away. I thank God for my real G's. Good friends, no be money. Who's your guy? Not only me, what life. As we feel like beans and rice, I will never leave your side. I will never ever. I dedicate my time to you, my guy. Even if the road is rough, I don't mind. Cause you be my G for life.
So I just got back. It was very short, not very short. I mean, I used like 2 hours. I think the time is close to 5 right now. Oh, it's after 5. And I bought item 7. I got chocolate too. So I got this. Got this. But how was the art? Yeah, the arts were so beautiful. Some of the artists were there, and so they had stories to tell about the art. It was really, in my opinion, that was just sensible. Assuming I was an art person, I would have bought art, to be honest, because there's this particular one that got to me. I think it's titled In My Head. You guys would have seen it. I'll just try to put a picture here, somewhere here. Very inspiring. So I'm trying to do a lot and also ramble, so yeah, I'll see if I can get back to you guys later. So guys, I did not make a proper outro for this video. I don't know, I think I just went on with the day. So I just wanted to say thank you for watching my video up to this point. I really do hope you enjoy it. Please check out my other videos and recommend videos you would like to see. Thank you for watching. Bye.